information to legislators and staff.
Civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for all Alaska, effective until 11:23 a.m. This is a test of the Alaska Amber Alert system. This is only a test. In the event of real child abduction emergency, information on the event, to include a description of the suspect and suspect vehicle, would be available on the Alaska Amber Alert website at amberalert.alaska.gov.
Risks and costs. Carefully read the official statement available at Alaska529plan.com.
After 30 plus years at Mendenhall Auto Center,